Student, now we will solve exercise 13.2, question number 9. According to this question, a closed cylindrical petrol tank is there, just like that, and its height is given, that is 4.5 meter, and its diameter is given, that is 4.2 meter. So its radius will be 2.1 by 2. So radius will be 2.1. Now in first part we have to find out the lateral surface area or curved surface area. Since it's a curved surface, so CSA of closed cylindrical petrol tank. Cylindrical petrol storage tank, and since it is of cylindrical shape, so 2 pi RH, okay, so 2 into pi value, that is 22 by 7 into, since it is of 7 multiple 2.1, that's why we have used 22 by 7, otherwise we can use 3.14 also. So 2.1, that is the radius, and height is 4.5. so after solving, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 10 and 45 by 10. So this is 3, and that can be cancelled. 2 will cancel, and here also with 2 we can cancel. So what we will get here, 33 into 9 by 5, and that is 29 by 5, and that becomes 59.4. If you divide, then 59.4 meter square will be the CSA. Now in the second part, first we will find out the TSA of the cylindrical. Okay, so TSA of closed cylindrical petrol storage tank. And TSA will be 2 into base area plus CSA, because already we have found the CSA. So base area, that is pi r square, so pi r square plus CSA is 59.4. so 2 into 22 by 7 into r square, that is 2.1 into 2.1 plus 59.4. so just remove the decimal, 3. So if you multiply there, so that is 6 into 22 into 21 upon 100 plus 59.4, and that is, after multiplying, we are getting 22 into, that is 126 upon 100 plus 59.4, and that is, after calculating, we are getting, but just multiply them, so 2772, and upon 100, so 27.72 plus 59.4, and if we add them, then we are getting 87.12 meter square. That is the total surface area of the cylindrical tank. Now according to the question, it is given that how much steel was actually used. So suppose let x meter square steel was actually used. So according to the question, it is given that 1 by 12th of the steel, that is x upon 12, means 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted. So that is, we will subtract wasted, and after that what will be the remaining, that with that material we can make that storage tank. So the storage tank, that is the total surface area. Okay, so that is the TSA of cylindrical tank. Getting? So x we can take common, that is 1 by 12. This is the wastage part. Okay, so from actual use, the wastage part if we subtract, then we can able to make the cylindrical tank, and that we just calculated, that is 87.12 meter square TSA. So x 12 minus 1 by 12, and that equals to 87.12 meter square, and x so into 11 by 12 equals to 87.12 meter square. So x equals to 87.12 into 12 upon 11 meter square. So just remove the decimal sign, and then we can cancel this with 11. So 7, and then 9, 2. So 792 into 12 by 100. So after multiplying, we are getting 9504, and upon 100, so this is point meter square. This is the required answer that actually used, that is 95.04 meter square of steel.